Greetings YouTube, this is SilverTopFlyer coming at you from North Georgia, and the name of the video today will be Cooking with Drones, What is Fire? So if any of you out there are firefighters or you work with fire, you know exactly what fire is. There's three things that we need to have fire. You need a source of ignition, you need oxygen, you need fuel. You take away any one of them components, fire will not burn, not in our existence. So the video I'm going to show you in the first installment of Cooking with Drones will be exactly what it says. What is fire? I'm going to show you a wood-fired oven, a bread oven. Usually runs anywhere from 800 to 12 to 1400 degrees, somewhere in there. Very, very hot. Now you're asking, but SilverTop, how is it possible to reach temperatures like that in a wood-fired enclosed oven? Well, it's because it's enclosed. It's made out of brick and stone. So once you get it hot, the more fire you put in it, the hotter it's going to get. So there's a couple of things I want you to notice. You may have not noticed in the thumbnail, but in the video I'm about to show you, and I'll do a voiceover for the video I'm going to show you, you'll see where the fire is burning on the right hand side of the oven. It burns up and towards the roof of the oven, comes around like so, and back down towards the fire. On the left side of the oven, you'll see a lot of blackness that comes down in a very demarked line across the bottom of the oven. You can actually see it in the video that I'm showing you. It's called the fire line. And right where the fire line and the flames of the fire meet, you'll notice some twirling going on. And what that is hot gases reigniting from circulating in the oven. I got a real good video of it. I'm going to share it with you. I hope you enjoy it. Fire burns very, very hot, almost like love does. It burns very, very hot. Any of you that might have any questions about cooking with open fire or what have you, let me know. I'd love to have your comments. Any knowledge you might have, please impart your knowledge upon me. Enjoy the video.
Okay, what you see here is the brick oven I was speaking of. Now, as you watch this fire burn, you'll notice it burns up towards the top of the oven, comes down around and down the side, and creates what's called a fire line. You can see that fire line where that black smoke is. It's a very demarked line that comes across there. As it comes back across and these hot gases you have there meet up with the fire, they reignite and keep tumbling. If you slow this video down, you can see exactly what I'm talking about.
So that's the first installment of Cooking with Drones, What is Fire? As you can see, it's a very intense fire. I have seen pizzas catch on fire as they come out of the oven. I would like to know maybe what kind of content you would like to see. Would you like to see Italian food? Would you like to see more classical cuisine type stuff done? Thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. This is SilverTopFlyer signing off.